Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy, Not the 91 Song Club. I know you haven't seen me for a while because since we sold the cows and so. Yeah. Plus, if you hear any growling, it's probably my new cat. We have like a third new cat. So we've had. I don't remember. If you remember Pancakes, the pink cat we used to have, but he died sadly. Rest in peace, Pancakes. And now we still have Furball. That was another one we had, and we also had Rascals. So, and we have a new cat. His name is Ryan Squirt Cheetah. Oh, and if you see any people, it's probably my mom and my dad because we just came back from vacation. So let's dig into this mystery package I have. So I have this mystery package. I don't know who it's from, but we're just gonna see what it is. I'm just gonna do some cutting off camera. Okay, so I might think I know what this is. Yeah, but this is the, I don't know if you can read it, but backwards, but probably will say on the camera. But it's a Hess from 2022 flatbed truck with 2 hot rods. I don't know if anybody's channel has gotten this before, but let's dig into this. Bubble wrap. Oh, so you can just get through. Oh, see. How do you get this thing out? Oh, I think I just ripped the bubble tape. But it's fine. Can't get this stupid truck out. Here, let's see if I can get it out this side. Maybe. No, I can't. Sorry, guys. See you there. There's the bubble wrap, so box. How I dispose. But take it off this. Here it is. And I believe this comes with batteries already. I think. Oh, these are the buttons, okay. So right now it's off. Ooh. Little thing. Wait, did it come with a little slip? Oh yeah. That's retro. You ever had one of these? This is retro of the old stuff, but it takes 3 AA batteries, but okay, that's one of them done. Oh my gosh, it almost just rolled away by itself. Another one. I believe they have already batteries installed in. Yep. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I want to see the real one. That one. Oh, that's sick. I believe the truck comes with things. These pull-off tags too. Retro. Whoa. That's cool. Oh, that's 3 modes. Flashers. On. Off. That's cool. What are these? That just made so much noise. Shut up, you stupid thing. Okay, that's cool. I will admit, this is pretty cool. This could go with my other Hystrix. Oh my gosh. Turn that off. It's not even on. how does this stupid thing... No one told me this stupid thing worked without turning it on. I didn't think they worked like that anymore. Also, this takes AAA batteries now. I remember when they used to take C batteries. How did we go from C batteries, which is the coolest thing in the world because they're rare, to stupid AAA batteries? That's my question. Also, I don't know what these take, but... Wait, does it say on the stupid figure thing? Wait. Where's that paper? Here's the paper. It takes A76 button cell batteries. Each have the hot spot to activate lights. Pull out the green tab from the underside of the switch. Okay, so you need A76 or you need LR or 4. I have no idea what those are. So let's just try playing with these. Let's go. So apparently they do pop a wheelies. Prop them up to do wheelie. Okay, I am. Crank this baby back. Okay, didn't do a pop a wheelie. Maybe we have to go somewhere else. I know a good place to probably do it. Let's travel, guys.